Are truck routing restrictions different by state? If you have ever wondered whether truck routing restrictions change from one state to another, you are not alone. This is a topic that affects many truck drivers and fleet managers. The answer is yes, truck routing restrictions do vary significantly from state to state. Each state has its own set of rules about which roads trucks and 18-wheelers can use, weight limits, and permit requirements. These rules are designed to protect infrastructure and ensure safety on the roads. At the core of these regulations, states define specific truck routes. These are roads designated for heavy trucks to help manage traffic flow and reduce damage to sensitive areas. For example, some states requiring heavy-duty trucks to stick to designated truck routes or main roads, especially near residential neighborhoods or environmental zones. Cities and counties often update these routes to reflected changes in traffic and infrastructure. Weight limits are another major factor in routing restrictions. The federal gross vehicle weight limit for interstate highways is generally 80,000 pounds. However, some states allow heavier loads for interstate travel, particularly for industries such as agriculture or forestry. Trucks that exceed these limits must obtain overweight permits, which can vary by state. For instance, Michigan allows heavier axle weights than many other states, while California has strict weight limits and a more complex permitting system. Bridge and road restrictions also play a role in truck routing. Certain roads, bridges, or tunnels may have weight, height, or width limits that restrict truck access. These restrictions can change seasonally or due to construction. For example, mountain passes in states like Colorado may be closed to trucks during winter months. Urban areas, such as New York City, have strict bridge weight and height limits that differ from rural parts of the state. Truck speed limits and temporary restrictions due to road maintenance or construction can also vary by state, affecting routing decisions. Truck drivers need to stay informed about these changes to avoid violations and delays. Understanding and complying with these state-specific routing restrictions is essential for efficient and legal operation. Drivers and fleet managers must plan their routes carefully, secure necessary permits in advance, and stay updated on changes to avoid fines or detours. Utilizing resources from state departments of transportation and industry tools can help navigate these varying regulations across state lines.